Welcome to the next episode, which is episode 4. Moving on, guys, to the next page. Alright, don't forget we've designed first cover. Alright, we've done the first page, second and third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and we're moving to the 7th and 8th page. Alright, so now continuation of the biography page. Let's import the image we'll be working with in this episode. So now let's move into the next page. What I'm going to do, guys, is use my ellipse tool and draw a cycle over here. So move it to the top this way, and once you do that, guys, bring in this background and right click on it, select power clip and place it inside this frame. Now right click and select this power clip and place over here. Alright, so once you do that, boom, this is what you're going to have. Now remove the outline, and now what you're going to do is power clip this shape into the frame, and guys, this is what you are going to have. This is what you are going to have. Now the next thing we're going to do, guys, is bring in this plug we have here and this shape, this frame we have here, and place it over here. Now scale this up, make sure it's aligned to the middle. Now if you remember, we have this picture. Alright, we have this picture, so I'm going to copy this picture and bring it to this point. Alright, so first of all, let's give this frame a white color. Now scale this up this way. Alright, so once you do that, this is what you're going to have. Now what we're going to do is give this page a color. Let's just color it, let's give it like a yellow color, but kind of lighter yellow. Alright, so this is what you're going to have, guys. Now what you're going to do, guys, is just basically, let me adjust this. Alright, so what you're going to do is bring it to forward and place it like by the side of this. Now I want to create like a mirror effect with this plug. Now flip this down this way, and once you do that, use your transparency tool and draw this way. Alright, so as you can see, it's just looking as if it's kind of reflecting inside the background down here. Alright, guys, so this is what you're going to have. This is what you're going to have. Now let's copy this. Let's bring in our our text tool and draw over here. Alright, now I'm going on again. Let's copy our text where we stopped. Award. Alright, let's copy the awards and place it over here and paste. Basically copy and paste. Now select all and go to your alignment and use full justify, and once you do that, you can arrange your text this way. Arrange your text. You can bring this down. Alright, bring this down, just give it spacing. Alright, now give it black color. So once you're done with that, you can change the font to 11 so it won't be that big. You understand? So once you're done with that, come over up here and type award. Alright, now scale it up this way and give it this font. Alright, so give it the gold color we have here, and once you do that, Now flip this down this way. Use your transparency tool and draw this way just to give it like a reflection to the background, as you can see. Alright guys, so this is what you're going to have. So let's just scale this up a bit this way, and boom, this is what you're going to have. Now moving on to the next page. Here we'll have page what? Page 4. So coming over here we'll have page 4 and 5. Coming over here we'll have page 3 and 4, sorry. Now we'll have page 5, and coming over to page 6. Alright, so now the next thing we're going to do is bring in our text again and paste it over here. Now delete this one. Alright, copy the next one, the text we have. Alright, and basically paste it over here, and let's just scale this up and use our shape tool and space it this way. Alright, so this is what you're going to have, guys. This is what you're going to have. Now let's adjust our text this way. Now give it a drop cap and bring this down this way. Now you can basically reduce this because I want to place a picture here, and use your shape tool and adjust the spacing. Alright, so once you do that, select only this text, that's the letter O, and give it a gold color this way. Alright, now use your rectangle tool and draw a box over here. And once you do that, let's reduce this a bit because it's kind of big. Alright, so once you do that, all you basically need to do now is select this and power clip it inside this text, and this power clip, now scale it up this way. So once you scale it up, boom, this is what you're going to have. Now remove the outline and leave it to that. Now bring in your shape tool again and draw a box here. Draw the shape, give it a red color. Now remove the outline. Alright, so what you're going to do now, guys, is use your transparency tool and fade out this part. And once you do that, convert it to bitmap. Now fade out this part also, and once you do that, you can leave it to that, and basically now copy the next text, which is survived by, and paste it here. Now give it an uppercase using Shift F3 to bring up the change case. Now what you're going to do is basically leave it here and give it a gold color. Alright, so once you do that, copy this text, alright, and paste it here. Reduce the font maybe to, let's say, 10. Now use your shape tool and scale it this way. Alright, now copy the next one. You can basically just do this, you understand? So you can align it. Alright, so once you do that, just align it this way. Alright, so we have the son, the daughter, the daughter, the daughter, the daughter, the son, and blah blah blah, so forth and so on. So copy the next one and basically do the same thing. Alright, basically do the same thing. Let's reduce this font of this so we can basically make sure it's aligned, guys. Make sure it is aligned. Alright, so make sure it's aligned. So copy the next one. We have the grandson, we have blah 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 blah. So basically this is how I did all this stuff. Alright, so use your shape tool and align it. Now what you're going to do, guys, is use your freehand tool. Alright, now draw a line. Bring same thing here and same thing here. Now select all and click letter T to align it to the top. Alright, so what you're going to do next is select this, select this, select this, and give it a gray color so it won't show that much. Now copy the last one we have here. Alright, and paste. So once you do that, reduce the font size. Now cut out this sign, cut this one. Alright, so once you do that, you can place this one here and other relation. Now give this font this font. Alright, I'm going to place I'm going to put all this in the down description below for you guys to check it out. Alright, so this is what you're going to have. Now bring this one here, and what you're going to do is Ctrl E to give it a center alignment, and basically leave this to this, and this is what you're going to have, guys. Now we're done with this page, and this is how to design this page in CorelDRAW, and the inner page, the layout, the page arrangement, everything. I believe you've learned something. If you've loved something, guys, just give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, guys. So see you in my next video.